In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ctrader to lots. If your order tickets show volume in units and you prefer working in lots for clearer position sizing, this walkthrough will make the switch simple and stick for future trades. Start by opening Ctrader and navigating to the symbol you want to trade. Click into your watch list or the market overview, then select the instrument so its chart and trading panel are active. With the symbol selected, click New Order to open the order ticket. Look at the volume field. If it displays a large whole number, you're currently in units. If it shows values like 0.01, 0.10, or 1 ton also, you're already in lots. To change it globally, open Settings, then choose Assets. Find the symbol you're trading and open its options. Look for the volume display or volume unit setting and switch it from units to lots. Some layouts also offer a quick toggle directly on the order ticket by clicking the units or lots label next to the volume field. Either route will achieve the same result. Switching to lots aligns your position sizing with common risk models where 1 point equals a standard lot, 0.1 a mini lot, and 0.01 a micro lot. Return to the order ticket and confirm the volume field now accepts lot sizes. Enter your desired size, for example, 0.1 sell for a mini lot, then add your stop loss and take profit. Before you place the trade, glance at the margin and estimated cost in the ticket to ensure the lot size fits your risk and account leverage. When you're satisfied, submit the order. To keep this view consistent on your charts, save a chart template whilst lot units are active. Right-click the chart, choose template, and save it with a clear name. Apply this template to other charts so whenever you bring up a new order from that chart, you'll see volume in lots without additional changes. For even faster execution, set a default volume in trade settings. Open Settings, go to Trading or Trade Settings and specify a default volume like 0.01 or 0.10. Because you've switched to lots, this default will be interpreted as lots going forward, saving time on each new ticket. That's it. You've opened Ctrader, selected a symbol, checked the order ticket, switched the volume display from units to lots in settings, placed an order in lots, saved a template, and set a default volume to streamline your workflow. Practice on a demo first to confirm margin and pip values match your plan, then apply it to your live trading with confidence.